Cereal. Let me break it down. First, shout out to James Caleb Jackson. He invented cereal in 1863. It was a dried gram flour dough that was so hard you had to soak it in milk overnight. 816 million pounds. That's how much sugar the cereal industry uses every year. How did cereal become the go-to breakfast? One word, marketing. And it started with Kellogg. Dr. John Harvey Kellogg. Dr. Kellogg was actually a healthy vegetarian. His initial goal was to change the very meat-centric diet that Americans were used to. Dr. Kellogg teamed up with his brother Will and created toasted cornflakes. By 1906, John and Will got into a sibling beef. Will wanted to add sugar, John didn't. So Will pried the rights of the Kellogg name from his brother and created their first sugar cereal. And it was downhill from there. Siblings. The 5 worst cereals: Crunch Berries, French Toast Crunch, Fruit Loops, Apple Jacks, and at number 1,